the villagers are never going to see that person as a human being, man. In the villages, especially, you people may have this type of experience. They never going to see this person as a human being. Okay, even this person is coming. Uranta double this good tetra. That word is going to reflect on his face directly. So each and everything you require to return back. Each and everything, whatever you got, you require to return back. Then only you will get the respect. Then only your life. Do you know you will get freedom. Freedom. So we will respect all those things by default will come into the picture. If you are running away from the problems, if you are running away from the loans, without returning, then obviously the problem is like that lady example I told, right? Not in a position to see that video, man. I give straight forward at afternoon time, lunch time. We are there at a Nijampeta hotel. We went on some work, I hope. Nazir sir is there beside me. Sir, can you come like then just I saw that. Nazir sir, can you please, there is a contact is there in WhatsApp, search for contact. And then last video is there, like, can you please delete that video and return to me my phone? Like I asked her. Not in a position to see that situation, dosto.
There are a lot of friends surrounded me, sir. So I gave a lot of money, but they will not have a regret feeling,
No, no,
even
no,
though if
no,
you
no, 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 no. They are showing బయటికి కనపడే గంభీరత్వం వేరు లోపల there is a difference in there.
are.
Definitely there is somewhere that inner feeling, because we don't know their inner feelings, right? We are seeing their outer feelings. Getting definitely that regret is there inside. Believe me. Definitely whenever they are seeing you, they can't see directly in your eyes. If you want to,
Yes, yes.
you can cross check. They can't see you straight forward in your eyes directly. They can't talk with you directly by seeing your face.
Mm. They will run away.
Yeah, obviously. That thing is enough, right? That thing itself is enough. One person is there, one of my faculty earlier. His name, okay, some X. Original names are not recommended to give because it's a recording also, not recommended. There is a faculty X person is there. He worked somewhere. He worked somewhere before joining in DURGASOFT. That institute owner has to give almost 1 lakh or 1.5 lakh money. Whenever he's making a phone call, he's always telling, later we will do, or otherwise not lifting the phone. This faculty member with his sister, he went to the cloth store to buy some clothes, to buy some dresses. Suddenly there, this person, faculty, saw that institute owner in the shop. He also came for buying some clothes. Observe very carefully the scenario. He is just a faculty, an employee. That person is the institute owner. Owner, business owner. Just like your software company, you are an employee. That person is the owner of that company. Assume that. The same, more or less, is the same. Whenever the owner saw this person, immediately, okay, this person didn't observe me. If he's going to observe me, then he may ask about money, or otherwise he may create some scenario because I'm not lifting his calls, I'm avoiding this person. Like immediately, within a minute, that person went from that store. Institute owner. Then the faculty is sharing this experience with me. Sir, he is not in a position to stand in front of me. Just he left in a minute. That punishment is enough, sir. That punishment itself is enough for that person. Okay, like he told. Is it a punishment? Yes, though, so.
Yes, sir.
Is it a punishment or not?
Yes.
Definitely. Is missing his freedom or not? Though, so.
Yes.
He is missing his freedom or not? Not in a position to do shopping free with free peace of mind. By seeing this person, immediately left. He's telling, the faculty is sharing his experience. That punishment is enough, sir. Even I'm not getting the money, no problem, but that punishment is enough for that person. See the word he used. I remember well. But anyway, original names are not, but exact words only.